Hello everyone, welcome back to my mom's YouTube channel. I hope you and your families are doing well. Today's video is a little bit special because I'm going to share my mother's personal experience with something that has really changed her daily routine at home. This is not a paid promotion, just an honest experience of a son that we feel as a sister and I might be helpful for many households and many daughters and many sons, and especially for the mothers. So a few months ago, we decided to buy a dishwasher for my mom. And like many Indian homes, we were also unsure at first. Questions like, is it really necessary? Will it clean properly? Is it sustainable for Indian utensils and the dishes? My mom herself was also very hesitant initially. She felt that washing utensils by hand is faster and cleaner, but over time, uh, as we know, household work increases, responsibilities grow, and physical fatigue also becomes real. So especially for mothers who have been working tirelessly for years without breaks. So we thought, my sister and I thought, why not try something that could make her life a little bit easier? So when the dishwasher arrived at home, my mom was not excited enough. She thought it would be complicated and time consuming. But after using it for a few days, now she has been using it for more than 6 months now. Her opinion has completely changed about the product. She has realized that the utensils were much cleaner and shinier, and even oil and masala stains were removed properly. And hot water cleaning made the utensils feel more hygienic, and most importantly, she didn't have to stand in the kitchen for long hours anymore. And that itself was a very big relief, at least to us. And today my mom uses the dishwasher almost daily. It has helped her in many ways, and us also. Less physical strain on hands and back, and that is a big stress for the children. And and she doesn't have any stress anymore after all the family gatherings and the large family gatherings and the number of guests. She often says that earlier she used to say it, that even after cooking and when we all used to sit and chat after the dinner or lunch, कि अब बर्तन भी धोने हैं. Now the tension is gone. She simply loads the utensils, switches that machine on, and relaxes with us. And we also get a lot of time with us. So my mom now genuinely tells other women, friends, relatives, and neighbors, and I also, in my capacity, and my sister in her capacity, recommend this product, dishwasher, to their friends. And frankly, I feel a dishwasher is not a luxury anymore. It's a support system for all the Indian women and men also who are in this engaged in this activity. So yeah, and what I can say that if technology can reduce daily stress and protect health, then there is nothing wrong in using it. And of course, we can agree on that mothers deserve comfort too. They also deserve a retirement. So yeah, so this was my mom's on these utensils, load them in the machine. So after the dinner or lunch, my mom starts the running water. She just rinses them, and it is not mandatory, it is not important to do so. Just for the safety of our machine, she does it. And
ये देखो, ये ज़्यादा वो है ना, सब्जी लगी हुई है, अभी थोड़ा साफ करके अंदर जाए तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि हमारी मशीन जल्दी ब्लॉक नहीं होगी.
This is not mandatory, this is just optional. You can do it without running water also, without making them rinse in the running water, but this is just important for the safety of the machine. As you can see, our machine, there are two cabinets. You get a lot of variants in it. You get around 3-4 variants. We have a variant which supports the family of 4 to 5. And you can see in the upper cabinet, my mom uses the upper cabinet for the glasses,
चीनी,
for the
कांच,
cups.
स्टील, प्लास्टिक के बर्तन बहुत अच्छे से धोती है. नॉन स्टिक अल्युमिनियम नहीं लगाना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसका केमिकल खराब करती है और सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता.
It is not advisable. What my mom is trying to say here is that it is not advisable to wash utensils of glass, utensils of aluminium, and which is for oven and non-sticky in this machine, because the temperature might make them
ये
toxic.
बर्तन बहुत
And
ज़्यादा आ जाते हैं इसमें, वैसे दिखने में थोड़े लग रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बर्तन लेती है मशीन।
हाँ जी, as you can see there are separate cabinets for everything. For the spoons also you have a separate cabinet, and in the lower part you can make the big utensils which are used for making sabzi. And this is the prant we say. This is the bigger plate we uses for atta, and now my mom has loaded it. Both the cabinets have been loaded properly. Now this is the salt which you have to put, and this is available in the nearby
ये
convenience store also.
हर रोज डालना है, जिस टाइम बर्तन धोओगे उसी टाइम डालना है।
This has to be loaded every time you
ये हफ्ते
use
में
the
एक
machine.
बार डालना है लिक्विड।
And this liquid has to be inserted only once in a week. It is not and it is available in the nearby store. Okay, and it is also available online. You get it at a cheaper price in online apps also. Now we are loading the machine up. We have successfully completed all the steps which were needed to be completed, and now the switch is on.
बिजली पानी भी ज़्यादा खर्च नहीं करती है, नॉर्मली करती
The
है।
energy consumption is also not that much high. You don't have to be fearful of the fact that it is going to raise the electricity bill, but it is not. So this 123 we have written for our mom's convenience, but you get a lot of modes here. You get a lot of options here, that you want it extra dry, you want the high temperature, and it also depends on the kind of and the quality of
मैं
utensils you are
ज़्यादातर
washing.
1 घंटे में धोती हूँ, जो कभी ज़्यादा चिकने बर्तन होते हैं तो उस टाइम 1 घंटा 40 मिनट लगाती हूँ।
So the time is totally optional. You can wash it in 20 minutes also. You can wash it for 40 minutes also. But my mom usually does it in around 1 hour or a few minutes. So it doesn't, give extra load to the machine also. Now
ये
you can
देखिए
see.
बर्तन सुखा के पूरा अच्छे से बाहर निकाल
Now you
दिए।
can see after the wash of 1 hour or so, you can see the quality and the kind of washing the machine has done.
हमारे से ज़्यादा साफ मांजती है।
And my mom is really happy with the fact that it also dries up the utensils for you. And when you touch it, they are hot also. It gives you a little bit hygienic feeling also, and it is hygienic because a lot of high
वीडियो
temperature have
अच्छी
been
लगे
used.
तो शेयर और लाइक जरूर करना, सब्सक्राइब करना।
Hanji, you can see the cooker also. We had used it for matar aloo, and you can see the quality of wash in the machine. And these are for the spoons.
ये जो
There's a
थोड़े
separate
चम्मच हैं
cabinet.
ऊपर कप ग्लास के साथ भी लगा सकते हो,
Hanji.
इसमें कोई जरूरी नहीं होता।
So and you can see the upper cabinet also. All the utensils which were there in the upper cabinet, you can see they have been washed very properly, and it is suitable, it is appropriate, and it is best for these glasswares also, and for the steel utensils also.
80 से ज़्यादा एक टाइम में बर्तन धो देती है, छोटे बड़े।
So the number of utensils you can wash in one go is 80. That is, I think, and it is so yeah, so this was my mom's honest experience with using a dishwasher. And if you're planning to buy one, or if you're confused like we were earlier, I hope this video helps you make a decision. If you found this video useful, please like the video and share it with somebody who might benefit out of it. And don't forget to subscribe my mom's channel. She has been working hard, and she's the only one who does the editing and everything. And please do subscribe my mom's channel. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, and best wishes.